Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a Ravencoin. A lot of people personally message me on Instagram that what should we do, at is the best time to buy, sell or hold Ravencoin. And the one talk is that a lot of people do a big mistake on 30th April on this day friends. As you know, it is the last date of month, so a lot of people do a big mistake, so please be safe from loss and don't do this mistake at this time friends. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates and stay connected with us friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the price of Ravencoin. So the price is about 0.169169 USD dollar is the currently price of Ravencoin friends. If we talk about the price change occur in the Ravencoin, so the last 24-hour change is positive, last 1 day change is negative, last 1 week change as positive friends. So that's mean that the yesterday the last 1 day price change is negative, that the falling period of the Ravencoin starts now from the last 1 day from the yesterday friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the Ravencoin. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price prediction chart of Ravencoin friends. And if we talk about the price change occurring in the Ravencoin, so the last 1 day change as negative 0.31% change occur in a Ravencoin. Now the change is for negative, but soon the change become positive. As you know, this time they take a high jump. The previous period is a falling period, but now it's a good news. It is surprise news for all Ravencoin holders that now this time they're jumping upward friends, as you can see here friends. Now the highest price of Ravencoin is about 0.169736 USD dollar is the highest price of Ravencoin friends. Friends, now the current price, a lot of people ask me that what is the current price of Ravencoin and how we can invest in Ravencoin. So I think it's the best time to invest in Ravencoin because now in the jumping mood, and the price is Ravencoin is about 0.169169 USD dollar is the highest currently price of Ravencoin at this time in the market friends. So it's not a big amount if you want to invest, so I think it's the best decision for all of you friends. Now a lot of people do a mistake on 30 April on the last date friends. What is the mistake? A lot of people go in a market and want to sell it, so absolutely it's the best and bad decision at this time friends. As you can see here, the change as a negative and you are in the loss and you wanna sell it, so I think it's the best. It is a lost time, as you can see here. And if you want to make a good amount of profit with the Ravencoin, so you have to hold it and be patient for a big jump, for a new pump. As you can see here now in the jumping mode, so you have to hold it. Don't sell it friends, don't sell it at this time friends. You are in the loss friends, wake up, you are in the loss. As you can see here, the change is negative, that means that you are in the loss, so please don't sell it at this time. When the change become positive, when they take a high jump, when the price become high, it's the best time for you to sell. What's your opinion? If you agree with me, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.